Good morning to all present here. I'm Ramesh Devi, working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Technology. Today I'm going to share a small article regarding objects and arrays and how it is used in JavaScript. In JavaScript, data can be stored in different ways. Two very different data structures are arrays and objects. They allow developers to store multiple values and organize data efficiently. These structures are widely used in web development to handle the complex data. So first, let us see what is an array. An array is a special variable that can store multiple values in a single variable. The values in an array are sorted in an ordered list and each value is accessed using an index number starting from 0. For example, we'll have an fruits array in which apple, banana, mango has been stored. So if you want to access apple, the array index value will start from 0. So we'll keep the fruits array. The array name can be fruits, and then if you want to access the first element of an array, we can use fruits of 1. So the common array operations are we can add an element by using a push built-in function, and then we can remove an element by using a pop built-in function, and also we can find the length of an array by using the length built-in function. So an array can store like students' marks, like what are not like we can if we are storing the students' marks, we can easily calculate the average marks or higher score. The same type of data can be stored easily in array so that it can be used for any manipulations. And next we'll see objects. Objects in JavaScript is a collection of key value pairs used to represent the real world entities. Here, objects allows us to store related information. Like for example, let's have a student called Ramya, and then its age is 20, and then the course is computer science. So the student related information, everything can be stored in and one object called student, in which the related information can be stored like name, age, and the course which has been taken by the student. So here, name, age, and course are the properties, and Ramya 20 and computer science are the values. So how can we access an object? It can be accessed by using the keyword called object name and then its property name. So we can also add new properties in an array by using an append built-in function, and also the objects in web applications used for storing the user details also. So the main difference between array and object is, so the structure of an array is an ordered list, and then the structure of an object is a key value pair. And also the array can be accessed using an index number, and then the object can be used accessing a property name. And then so the arrays and objects are the fundamental data structures in JavaScript, in which array stores the ordered collections of data, and then the objects represents the real world entities using properties and values. So here they are essential for building a dynamic web application, APIs, and any data for any data manipulations. For example, if we take an food app, so how do we manage all the items and orders in it? So they'll store either in the form of object or in a form of array. For example, a collection of key value pair, like where keys and properties and values can be of any data type. For example, if we take a student object, so the properties can be a name, roll number, or the department. So here the object can be accessed through its key name, and then it can be appended, updated, or a new object can be, sorry, new element can be added, and also the existing object can also be updated. So here the array, it's also a special object for storing multiple values in one variable, which can be accessed using a numerical index. So here if we go to an shopping mall, so we are just adding our items to a cart. So like which we can add the items in our array. So and finally the new item is added at the end of the array, and we can build it according to it. So here, this is an example of an object. So first, so student is considered as an object name. So it has an properties like name, roll number, department, and whether it is active or not. So here we have all the related key values for it. So if we want to access the name alone of our student, so we can use the student name dot name. And also the existing properties of an object can also be updated. Like for example, here in the employee, the salary can be updated, and also the location of the employee can also be added to it. Thank you.